Now me and this little guy, we always fight. So welcome to where me and this guy fight never end. They're like this. I don't know why should I buy something that I'm struggling with. Welcome back. So now I'm busy seasoning our chicken, yeah?
I'm going to the stadium.
You're going?
Yeah, I'm going to the stadium.
Okay. So now I am busy trying to grind my hot pepper with onion and ginger and garlic over here. So I'm struggling with this guy. I always fight with this guy. I have not mastered it yet. So bear with me as I fight with a little friend. If you have this and you know how to put it easy, guys, please, please, please let me know. Because I'm always fighting with him. See guys? What I'm saying? It's like a war that doesn't want to end. Now, put this like this. Nope, gonna break my thing. See guys, that's what I'm saying. Okay. It has to go like down. But it looks like it's up. Doesn't want. I'll have to find another one. Why are you being stubborn? Yeah? There's no way. This is going too long. There is no way. Okay, last try. Or else I'll use something else. Last try. Okay. I'll use my manual guy.